So the first problem is always going to be F equals ma, and then it's like, how could that be difficult? Well, mass might be in grams. So grams divided by 1,000 is kilograms, right? And then it'll just be a shell game. I'll give you F and A and you find M, and I give you M and A and you find F, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah. Okay. 2 is always going to be suvat plus F equals ma, right? So you could just say it's suvat mf, right? Sounds a little dodgy, but there it is, right? Okay. 3 is always going to be a horizontal surface, and there's going to be a force this way and a force that way, and we've got to set up the sum of the forces. Right? There's only going to be 2 forces, but you know, there it is, right? Equals ma. 4 is going to be always a suvat, and then it's always going to be a vertical thing. You know, we've got to force up, the weight is going to be down, sort of a thing, right? So it's one of those. And you have to solve the suvat problem correctly. You have to, if it's a negative acceleration or positive acceleration, you got to get that right. Because if you don't get that right, you'll get the answer wrong. And then 5 will always be some kind of inclined plane problem, where we've got mg sine theta down the plane always, and I don't think there's a suvat associated with that, but that's what they'll always be that. So go ahead and work on your pre-quiz. The answers are there. When you're done with it, you could turn it in today, or you could study it for next time. But if you don't think you're going to study it, go ahead and turn it in today. So.